I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Chances of freezing rain, snow, and rain continue to increase through tonight as low pressure lifts northeast across Kansas. That most likely area is along and east of Highway 281. Freezing drizzle developing to the southeast of the Tri-Cities this late afternoon expands north and a little west by early evening. For eastern areas, the icy glaze is unlikely to melt much for tomorrow due to lingering clouds. Returning sunshine elsewhere warms highs mostly into the 40s tomorrow, even the low to mid-50s over northwest Kansas. Behind a warm front, Sunday our mildest day of the next week with highs in the upper 40s to the 50s. Gusty northwest winds arrive for Sunday night through Monday when a cold front moves in. Highs cool to as low as the mid-30s to the low 40s by Wednesday with another cold front. Temperatures rebound a little on Thursday before another push of colder air next Friday through Saturday. For the long-term forecast, temperatures are likely to be overall warmer than normal Wednesday through the day after Christmas for Nebraska, Kansas, and the western two-thirds of the U.S. Those higher chances of milder temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas next weekend through December 26th. Christmas through the final days of December is when temperatures are the coldest in central Nebraska, with average highs around 37 and typical morning lows around 14. Below normal precipitation, a high likelihood for Wednesday through December 26th for Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors influencing the markets include warmer air spreading across the U.S., little precipitation in wheat areas of the southwest plains, and scattered showers in key crop areas of Argentina. In the upper Midwest, it was a cold morning with lows colder than 10 below in much of northern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. High pressure over the Corn Belt drifts to the east, allowing moisture to overspread the Mid-South and Midwest this late day through tomorrow. A wintry mix affects the western Corn Belt with difficult travel persisting into the weekend. A second and slightly stronger disturbance moves in with additional precipitation early next week across parts of the nation's midsection. Two-storm precipitation totals could reach 1 to 2 inches or more from northeast Texas into the lower Ohio Valley. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days from southern California to the central and southern plains and across the lower southeast. Across western wheat areas of the southern plains, the drier weather is a major change after a very wet November. Early next week, temperatures begin to warm for most of the U.S., but quick bursts of cold air still continue. By Christmas week, warmer air builds farther east from the western U.S. For Argentina, scattered rain yesterday benefited some important dry areas of the south, holding off drought concerns for now. Scattered rain is again possible in Argentina the mid to late part of next week. Widespread heavy rain is needed, though, in the key corn and soybean areas of Argentina. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.